Previously on Service My Ride, we removed our intercooler so we can clean it out. We also removed the soft hoses and replaced them with the Forefront Industries hard pipes. So today I'm going to be installing the Provent catch can and keep the system oil free. So let's have a look what's included inside our kit from Western Filters for the Provent catch can. Now we're going to get ourselves a set of vehicle specific instructions. A drain hose for the catch can, some hardware, some pipe clamps, a tap, some mounting bolts and some cable ties, a bracket which we need to install that's going to hold the catch can, and we've got these pre-molded pipes or hoses. Some catch cans you buy, you've actually got to make these up yourself. These have already got the bends. It's got the sizes as well, so you don't need reducers, which is awesome. And lastly, we have got our catch can unit itself. So let's open up the engine bay and find out where we're going to install this. And on this specific model, it is on the driver's side up behind the airbox. And around the back there is two bolts where we're going to mount our bracket for the catch can. So going off the instructions on step 3, it states before attaching the Provent unit to the stainless mounting bracket, turn the unit 2 clicks or 60 degrees clockwise. But if you mess this step up, it's okay. There is a clip on the back which we can remove, and we can start again by moving the catch can around inside the bracket. And once you're done, it should look a little something like this. Then you'll need to install the clear drain hose to the bottom of the unit and tighten it up with a supplied hose clamp. Then you can attach the unit to the mounting brackets with the 2 supplied bolts. So after a little pre-assembly, it should look a little something like this. Now it's ready to be installed. And make sure you run the clear drain hose down in between the inner guard and the chassis rail. And the 2 bolts that we took out earlier from the back of the airbox, we can now reinstall, holding the bracket securely into place. Then we want to remove this small breather hose off the crankcase, which is allowing oil mist to go right through the entire system. And by doing this, we can attach the hose to the catch can, from the catch can back into the inlet. Grab yourself a set of pliers, put them on the pitch clamps, and remove top and bottom, pull the bottom out, and we can remove the top hose. And before you throw this small breather hose in the bin, we want to make sure that we remove that plastic fitting from the end. Now you can attach the long supplied hose to the top inlet of the Provent unit. Then attach the 16mm end to the outlet at the top of the crankcase. Secure with the supplied clamps. Then we can attach the last supplied hose to the lower outlet of the Provent unit and join to the air inlet. Then secure all the hoses with the supplied clamps.
On the dance floor.
So now that the catch can is all installed and we've got it all plumbed up, we can go ahead and put our engine cover back on. But what we need to do next is to attach our tap to the bottom of the drain hose. And that is somewhere down in between the guard and the chassis rail. So let's get down and pop this one on. So if you guys want to get your hands on one of these Western Filters catch cans, jump onto their website. I'll leave a link in the description below. But this is super easy. If you've done the intercooler clean like we did in the last video, this is going to keep your inlet temperatures nice and low and better performance out of your vehicle. But anyway, until next time, get out there and give it a go, and I'll see you guys in the next video.